Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. Happy Deepavali to all. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಸೇಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಸೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ you will be getting 1 gram silver coin free for people who are ordering about 1000 and 5 gram silver coin free who are placing an order for 5000 rupees products above 5 gram silver coin free irutte. So ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀ to the number displayed on the screen. Any customization I can be done, like I have in kathutiga work, thread model, even silver kathutiga also I have. So if anyone are interested in silver also, you can contact me. I can definitely do the customization as per your requirement. So we will start off with the video. So we have a beautiful this. So these are strawberry oval shape, 5 lines, 21 inches long barutte, and it's a beautiful excellent model idu. If anyone are interested with heavy jewelry, you can go with this. This comes around 1050 carat together. So this is a heavy one. You can also have any other customization for these also, but people like ನನಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 lines of this original strawberry oval shape. So this is how it is, a complete a closer look nodi. This is how it is. Beautiful ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. This is 21 inches in long barutte, and these are strawberry oval shape. And display ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ short ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ my display is not that big, so it is like coming out, but these are excellent. If you have seen any Pinterest or any other actress or anyone, if you have seen this, they are into this green color oval strawberry beads. Closer look nodi. It's a original one. It's beautiful kaanate, excellent on your sarees and everything. So this is priced at rupees. So this is priced at rupees 5500, free shipping all over India. 5500 free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, you can do book your orders. It's a beautiful green oval shape strawberry beads. It's a beautiful one, original one. Okay na. So next customization order gogana. This is a completely kathutiga model, premium kathutiga I have used, and original I've used a completely real one, green manulu, pink manulu, and Australian Swarovski pearls I've used. This is around 24 inches long barutte, 3 lines, and I've used premium kathutiga. Okay, beautiful kanutte. Closer look nodi adardu. Very nice. I've used 3mm green manulu, 4mm pink manulu, and 4mm Australian pearls, Swarovski pearls I've used. This is how it is, completely kathutiga work. It's very beautiful model. Idanna silver kathutigal kuda madkobodu. Your life will be more when you go with silver. Even this will also last for long. There is no issues in this. A very excellent neat model. Clean ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಮೇಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಮೇಡ್ ಇದು. I don't give it to any workers. I do myself. Exclusive handmade piece idu. Work, you can just pause it and you can see the beautiful work. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಥರ ಗೋಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, how the gold beads are done, same way it has come out. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೀಟ್ or ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 2499, free shipping all over India. 2499 free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, please book your orders. These are readily available. Okay, so we will see with the next customization order. So next customization order bandu, this is a beautiful Swarovski pearls with nakshi balls use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is around 21 inches ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 2-step model. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ like this, so I have customized it according to mom's requirement. This is how it is. It's a very very beautiful model. So Australian Swarovski pearls and Nakshi balls use madidini. This is a premium kathutiga model. This is how it is. Very very neat or clean work. If anyone are interested with the 3 steps also, you can go with this. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Okay, this is priced at rupees 1799, free shipping all over India. 1799 free shipping all over India. You can book your orders. So next customization ಒಂದು multi-color chain ಇದು. This is 21 inches long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಬಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ನೀಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ 899, ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಡ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. If anyone are interested in those also, you can ping me to the number given in the display. Okay, it's a very very neat or clean model. Green, pearl and rubies. Okay, this is how it is. 21 inches barutte. From the neck it is 21 inches and 1 inch back chain kottidini. So completely 22 inches barutte idu. This is priced at rupees 899, free shipping all over India. So next customization order nona. This is a layered chain. Okay, chandrahara chain use ಮಾಡಿ. This completely I've used chandrahara chain, a full multicolor one. Okay, I've used this multicolor beads like yellow, blue, orange, all very very sober colors, but it looks very nice on your kurtas, your dresses, and as well as on jeans top also. It looks very very nice. You can go with bracelet also like this. It looks very nice. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿರು, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 799, ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ 2 ಲೇಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ or anything apart from these multi-color also you can add. If anyone interested, you can book your orders. So next bandu, this is a beautiful black diamond with drop monolu, pink monolu use madi 2-step modelu. I have customized this. This is also shown in my video. In the previous videos I'll torsidini, but again I have lot of orders in this, so I'm just showing you. Very very beautiful one. 18 inches long barutte. So this is how it is. 3mm black diamonds with pink drop shape manulu use madidini. 2-step model. So this is priced at rupees 1599, free shipping all over India. 1599 free shipping all over India. Very very nice, neat or clean work. And if anyone are interested, you can book your order. These are readily available with me. Okay na. So this is 3mm black diamonds I've used. So you can also go with a short chain by using this. This is a very short chain. 16 inches barutte. 3mm black diamonds use madidini. Swarovski pearls and Chetan rubies use madidini. So this is the difference I've just shown you. You can go with this combo. Okay, this combo is priced at rupees 2299, free shipping all over India. This combo is priced at rupees 2299. Can book your orders. These are beautiful one. 3mm black diamonds, kathutiga work. Okay na, premium kathutiga I've used, and Australian Swarovski pearls and Chetan rubies. 4mm Chetan rubies, original Chetan rubies and Australian Swarovski pearls. This combo is priced at rupees 2299, free shipping all over India. You can buy single piece also. Single piece worth is rupees 799, and the 2-step model is priced at 1599, free shipping all over India. So if any, thank you so much for watching my video. Ide tara nang support ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Bye, see you in the next video.